I would take from the cue what Ashish said. Digital transformation essentially should make life simpler, faster, efficient, and should give delight to customers or even employees. So, one has to look at from that angle first. And then one should look at what is good to have and what is essential, because you have limited amount of funds and you want to make the most of it. So you have to decide which are the areas you really want to invest. Look at the big process, look at depending on what your company is into. For example, companies into CRM, companies into security, companies into any other kind of RPA processes. You have to look at different tools which are available, and then decide which processes you want to work upon. I mean, in this world today, with COVID coming in, things are becoming faster. People are wanting to invest more and more to be more reach out to their customers. I mean, we are using a video conferencing tool these days so effectively and reaching out to our customers. Every business transaction is happening through the VC route. Analytics is becoming very important. I mean, analytics at CEO level was always important, but analytics at the working level, operational level, live statistics being available to the sales guys as well to see how's that they're performing. Course correcting, rather than once in a while somebody coming and presenting you. It is also much essential. So I think all these needs are very critical and important for businesses to transform and look at. In fact, we at Savix during COVID, we were doing a business continuity testing, and we had not thought of such a large scale kind of stuff. So we were pretty ready with our headquarters. But if you ask me, from all the 42 sales offices which we operate from, and to make sure that all the Citrix licenses, for example, for VDI, we wanted to be secure and to be connected, they were not in place. We had to buy some more pretty quickly, but we were quickly able to streamline because we had business continuity at least in few large offices, which we could replicate to other offices as well. So one has to be ready, and as the business environment is constantly changing, I think this also needs, even if you do all the things, if your people mindset does not change and they are not amenable to adopt to that change, change management is very critical and essential, because people should not feel that their jobs are becoming redundant, machines are doing their job, or system is doing more analytics and somebody is looking at it constantly. I think it is very transformative from that point of view, and therefore change management becomes all the more critical when such transformations are to be looked at. So I would not take more than 2 minutes. I think that was the time, but essentially we can deep delve into all of those aspects and look at for a better working environment for the organizations.